me use 5 minutes to tell you how to understand current, electricity with these two charts. Very easy. Let's get into it. Now, what do I mean? This is just a chart for you to know. So just draw a triangle and you write PIV, 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 then you write VIR. Very easy. You understand? VIR, PIV, VIR. Very easy. Don't forget, this is IV and this is IR. Now, this P here means power. Power. Why I here means current. Why V here means what? Voltage. Okay. Now, V here also means voltage. Please note, this is voltage. Now, the unit is volts. The quantity itself is voltage. The I here means what? Current. Then the R here means what? Resistance. Now, don't forget, resistance is an opposition. Resistance is an English word. I used to teach it anytime. It's an English word. Don't think it too much. Resistance is an English word. When you say resist something, that means there's an opposition. So an opposition offered by a resistor is called resistance. If that opposition is offered by a capacitor, we call it capacitance. If that opposition is offered by an inductor, we call it inductance. Very easy. Now, what is the chart? Now, don't forget, if I need power, what will I do? Just cover power. I need power. What do you see? I times V. Right? That's power. If I need current, what will I do? Just cover current. What is left? What is on top? Current is what? P over V. If I need voltage, what is on top? P over I. So voltage is what? P over I. Very easy. Now, to the other part, if I need, what's it called? If I need voltage, just cover voltage. Look at it. What is left? I need voltage. So voltage is IR. I need current. So current is what? V over R. I need resistance. Resistance is what? V over I. Now, resistance, this is resistance here. Cover it. V over I. Now, also note that I can do anything to this equation. If P equals to IV, and I know that V here is IR, I can replace this V with IR, and such that V is what? IR, multiplied by IR. That means this whole thing is what? Is V, right? So that means I can say P is what? I square R. Is I square R. So there's no need to cram. It's very easy. So I can always adjust this thing anything I want, any way, anyhow I want it. Okay. So just take note. What is the unit of this? This is watt, right? This is ampere. Why this is volts, which is V. You understand? Resistance here is what? Ohms. Current here is also ampere. Just these are the units, and this is what? Volt. You understand? So in these 2 minutes, I've been able to teach you how to understand current, electricity. Of course, this is the basis, but it is very important that you know all of this. So if I tell you in the comment section now, replace, let's say you have find the relationship of between P. This is P, I, and R now. So I want you to find a relationship between P, V, and R. You understand? In the comment section. So find when voltage will be there. You understand? I know it's very easy now. Just find it and tell me P in terms of voltage and resistance. Drop it in the comment section. So see you in the next class. Bye. If you have not joined our class, send me a DM. Your Jamb is very close, so that I will be teaching you in my WhatsApp class. Close WhatsApp group, okay? Send me a DM. See you in class. Bye for now.